The Denison University Squash team is a club sport at Denison University. Denison has spent the majority of its time as the #1 club team in the nation and competes with some of the top varsity teams across the nation. Denison University has had 3 All-Americans: Javier Castilla, 2001-2004, Arif Paul, 1997-2000, and Awisch Jayaswal, 1999. The Denison University squash team has been ranked as high as number 7 in the nation, 2000. Jon Bridge was the first coach of the squash team. Peter Burling is the current head coach and is assisted by Jeff Nichols. The Denison University squash team mascot is the Big Red. Awards. In 1997, the Big Red won the Barnaby Trophy for Most Improved Team and was a nominee once again in 2000. Denison has won the Hone Cup once and the Summers Cup twice. During the weekend of November 6, 2009, Denison will host its first ever highly competitive home matches, which will include Western Ontario University, the United States Naval Academy, Northwestern University, and Kenyon College. Each year in December, Denison hosts an official OSRA tournament known as the Denison Open. Students all over campus love to come and participate in this event, as well as watch some of the best players in the area compete. External links. Official website.